Hey growers, I'm back and I'm between the two growbos and I've got some gummy bears. They've completed our recipe and they're ready to show off, so it's a little bit of show and tell now. I've coated them with a little bit of refined sugar because they were quite sticky coming out of the mold, but they're really nice and sweet and nice and powerful. Okay, the first step we're going to do is we're going to add the powder of the Zen Zingers cherry bomb. To that, we're going to add 45 milliliters of reverse osmosis water. Now we're going to stir this up really well. The instructions say to use a wooden spoon, but I don't have a wooden spoon here in the office, so I've selected this beautiful metal spoon to use. This is on a medium-high heat to begin. Once it's all combined, we're going to go with a lower heat. We want it to continue to boil, but we don't want it to boil too much. Now that it's boiling, I'm going to set my timer for 4 minutes. And we're not going to touch it, so we're not going to stir it anymore at this point, but we have turned the temperature down. Once 4 minutes is up, we'll be back. Okay, so that was 4 minutes, so we're going to take the concoction off of the heat. Now we're going to add the cannabis oil. If you'd like to see how to make cannabis oil, check out our video in the link below. I'm going to add this whole portion of cannabis oil. I've made this before. It's nice and strong. We're going to be making 15 of these little guys. Great. Now I'm going to use the syringe to fill up some of these little smiley face cavities. I'm going to fill them 3/4 of the way and I'll come back and top them all off. Once that's done, we're going to put these into the fridge for 24 hours. Then we're going to cover them in table sugar, store them in a flat container, and they'll be ready to consume. So that's the end of our gummy bear video. But we also have a couple other videos you can check out. If you'd like to find out how we made the cannabis honey oil that went into this recipe, click the link in the description below. You may be asking yourself at this point, what on earth is that gorgeous guy doing between those two growbos? That's a good question. We've made a video about how these two grows are progressing. One we topped, one we left alone. Wait a minute, yeah. One we topped and one we left alone. So you can check out that video in the description below as well. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can see what videos we have upcoming. Thanks for checking us out.